welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and today I am sharing the day 3 of the June release from the Rabbit Hole Designs. And this guy here is the Caffeinated Meerkat. How cute is he? So of course I had to make him into a scene, and he can boss the sentiment, caffeine makes me more than a meerkat. So yeah, I mean, this guy's super fun. So he also has a coordinating die, and I'm going to go ahead and stamp him out for you guys. And for the card, I just pretty much kept everything flat except for the meerkat. I did not want him, I didn't want to add too much dimension because I knew I had a lot going on in the background. So I'm going to stamp him out real quick for you guys. So his sentiments are, caffeine makes me more than a meerkat, and hashtag alert. And like I said, this is day 3, and we are doing a blog hop. So make sure to hop along with us because there is a giveaway. Get that water off there. See, I got water all over the place. But yeah, I will have everybody's, I will have my blog listed along with the Rabbit Hole Designs and the products that I'm, excuse me, using. And I know I should be using a something to rub against my Misty, but this is where we're at. So check this guy out. How stinking cute is he? If he'll focus. So there's lots of ways to color him and, you know, add him into an image. Like I said, with this one, I just really kept everything flat. I had some textured paper to do the hills with, and just added a little, you know, a couple pieces of grass here and there. I didn't want to overwhelm the card. So yeah, make sure you guys check out all the new releases this week. Like I said, there's this is day 3, so we have day 2 and day 1. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.